money, let's save the money. Ooh, 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 let's save the money, let's save the money. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Woo! Yes, you guys. Welcome back to my channel, Saving Mamacita. For those of you who are brand new, I welcome you. Today is actually a sponsored video. I am super excited to introduce to you a brand that I personally have never heard of before, but I really love the concept of it. I've got these two boxes here, you guys. I'm so excited to open them because they are actually two different perfumes. I love smelling good, and especially when it comes to scents, I am a huge fan of like the fruity scents. You guys know from my different unboxings that I've done that I'm a big fan of fruity smells. Like, it can be anything fruity. It is my freaking jam. I am like so excited because Dossier sent me two fruity scents that I am going to unbox and smell and try right here, right now. Let's go ahead and get started unboxing Dossier. So for those of you who haven't heard of Dossier, excuse me, I don't know exactly the pronunciation, but we're gonna go with Dossier because that's cool. So go to their website at dossier.co.
A few moments later.
Let's go ahead and open up perfume number 1. Oh, so opening it up, it says iconic scents, designer quality with no markups. We like that. We like saving Giorgio. So on the actual top of the perfume bottle, it has a little postcard. On the back shows just a perfume bottle, and on the front, well, back or front, however you want to call it, it has the actual name of the perfume as well as all of the fragrance notes and what perfume brand it is inspired by. So this particular brand name is called Fruity Oakmoss. The notes are, the top notes, green apple, bergamot, and lemon. The middle notes are peach, rose, ylang ylang, and the base notes are musk, oak moss, patchouli, and sandalwood. It is inspired by Creed, Adventus for her eau de parfum. Fancy. Concentration is 15%, and it says on here, thank you. Our mission is to deliver the highest quality, luxury-inspired fragrances at a fair price, giving you the freedom to explore new scents. Thank you for giving us a try. So basically on the bottom, ooh, I can smell it already. On the bottom, it says how it works. Your Dossier order has arrived, and now it's time to test out your new perfume. Do you love the smell? How does it feel on your skin? If you're not in love, you are always able to return your bottle. Simply head to the returns page on dossier.co to create a return label and ship back to us. We've got you covered. Really? Looking in the box, there's the perfume. Isn't that cute? It's very simple, very classic, but very cute. So taking the perfume out, it looks like this. Fruity Oakmoss. So opening up the bottle, boom. I bet you didn't expect that, right? Watch this. Boom. A magnetic top. That's really clever, actually. So open it up, middle, magnet, boom. All right. Ooh, it's different when you spray it. I smell the lemon right away. And then I smell more of the sandalwood, but I don't really smell a fruity smell to it. Let's try it on the skin, shall we? Definitely smells different on the skin as well. Definitely smell the bergamot and the peach. Very interesting. This isn't normally a scent that I would go into the store and say, yes, I need this. It's okay. It's not my favorite. I like more of a stronger fruity scent. This is more of the musky, oaky smell. If that makes sense at all. I smell lemon. I can't stop. Lemon. All right, so that one is Fruity Oakmoss. So what is the price on that? We're gonna have to check that out and just to compare and see.
Later.
So the other one we got is in another cute little box like this. Open it up. This one is called Fruity Neroli. Neroli? N-E-R-O-L-I? Neroli? That's what I'm going with, Neroli. Okay, so the notes on this one, top notes, bergamot, neroli, black currant, and strawberry. Middle notes are jasmine, tuberose, and orange blossom, and the base notes are vanilla, musks, and cedarwood. Inspired by Giorgio Armani, my way eau de parfum. Concentration is 18%. And again, it says on the bottom, thank you and how it works, all of that jazz. So here's what it looks like in the box. Boom. Same classic, consistent. Let's pop it out, shall we? Okay, so Fruity Neroli. Open it up. I love that magnetic top. Bam. I think I might like this one better. Let's spray it. Oh, wrong way. This way. You guys, that reminds me of my childhood. That is like the lavender bushes. No, the lilac bushes. It is like the freaking lilac bushes, you guys. I kind of like it. It brings me back. Brings me way back to the freaking 90s, man. The 90s were good. Let's just say that. Most of the fragrances start out at $29. Just $29. And okay, it says 1.7 fluid ounces, 50 ml. So it's a very decent size perfume bottle, by the way. If you can find a fragrance that is very similar to what you enjoy, why not go for the cheaper option? Let's just go ahead and do a rating right now because, well, that's what we do. So here we go. Let's go ahead and rate that box. Rate that box. Rate that box. Rate that box. Okay, so normally I do a rating on strictly subscription boxes because it's a little bit easier to kind of judge. But since this was sent to me as a review product and it was a surprise, it wasn't really exactly products that I chose for myself. So we're gonna go ahead and judge this based on what I received and, you know, the factors that we normally judge on. We judge on the presentation, we judge on the overall packaging, we judge on the quality, we judge on the variety, which really doesn't pertain here, but we're gonna judge based on those things. So let's go ahead and give this a rating. Now, the only clue that I gave them was that I enjoyed fruity scents. Fruity scents are my jam. So they sent me both fruity bottles to try. Now, out of the two bottles, I'm gonna have to say I really enjoyed the Fruity Neroli probably the best. I think I actually will use this one. The other one, I'm not so sure. It was a little bit too musky, a little bit too woodsy for me, and I'm not into that really. So based on that, I'm gonna go ahead and give this boxing we need to hit that drum roll. We forgot it. We forgot the drum roll. Drum roll, please. We're gonna get Dossier a 6. I love the packaging. I love the concept. I love the idea that you can get a perfume that is similar to what you enjoy in a name brand perfume and pay like significantly less than what you would pay in say the department stores or online. I love that. I love that idea. Love the magnetic top. That is something I have never seen in a perfume. Love it. Freaking love it. So, you guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a like, hit that subscribe button, notification bell, all of that jazz. And let me know down in the comment section, have you ordered from Dossier before? If you have, share your favorite scent. If you haven't, share your favorite scent anyways. I want to know. Let me know what you guys like. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you Dossier for sponsoring this video. We will see you all in the next video.